Welcome to Turbo App Tutorials. Today, we will guide you through designing and maintaining master data in Turbo Apps. Master data is critical for ensuring data consistency and reducing errors across your forms. We'll explore how to create master data entities, add relevant fields, and manage the data. Creating a master data entity. In Turbo Apps, creating master data is similar to building a form. On the Forms page, click Create and select Master Data from the drop-down menu. A form-like layout appears. Use components to create your desired master data entity. For this example, we'll design a master data entity for equipment details. From the Basics section, drag and drop a text field component. Open the Edit tab, enter the label as Equipment ID, and enable Table View in the Display tab. In the Validation tab, check the Unique and Required field. This defines it as the key field for this master data entity. Click on the API tab and confirm the API name as Equipment ID. Click on Save and close the field. From Basic, drag and drop another text field component below the Equipment ID. Open the Edit tab, enter the label as Equipment Name, and check the Table View option. Click on Validation and select the required field. Click on API and confirm API name is Equipment Name. Click on Save and close the tab. Once you've added all necessary fields, click Save from the top right corner. Enter the details like Icon. Select an icon that is appropriate to the master data. Title. Enter a title like Equipment. Description. Enter a brief description like Equipment Master Data. Category. Add the master data to a category for ease of access. Publishing the master data. While a preview option exists, master data forms are not intended for user interaction. They are for administrators and developers to manage the design and data. To publish the master data, click the Publish button and add a comment describing the changes. Publishing makes the form accessible to the inspector. Maintaining data manually. In this tutorial, we'll focus on manual data maintenance. Later videos will cover automating data maintenance in the master data flow. You will now be able to see the newly created master data in the Forms list. Click on the View Data icon in the Equipment row. This displays a list of existing master data entities. Initially, it will be empty. Referring to your sample data, such as a computer, monitor, mouse, and headphones, click Add and enter each equipment detail. Repeat for all your equipment data. Congratulations! You've successfully designed and maintained your first master data entity in Turbo Apps. The next video will showcase leveraging this master data within your forms. Thank you for watching.